Ways to combat dad bod. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. The term, dad bod, refers to a relatively soft and out-of-shape physique often associated with middle-aged men, particularly those who may have become less active and developed less healthy habits over time. Combating the dad bod involves making positive lifestyle changes to improve overall fitness and well-being. Here are some ways to achieve this. Regular exercise. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular activities, e.g., running, cycling, swimming, and strength training, e.g., weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise per week, along with muscle strengthening activities on 2 or more days a week. Balanced diet. Adopt a balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Limit the intake of sugary and processed foods, as well as excessive alcohol consumption. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes and avoid overeating. Sometimes, it's not just what you eat but how much you eat that affects your body composition. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps regulate appetite and supports overall health. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can contribute to weight gain and unhealthy habits. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, yoga, or spending time doing activities you enjoy. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Sufficient rest is essential for optimal physical and mental health. Accountability and support. Consider joining a fitness group, finding a workout buddy, or seeking guidance from a personal trainer or health coach to help you stay motivated and accountable. Set realistic goals. Set achievable and measurable fitness goals. This could be anything from completing a certain number of workouts per week to reaching a target weight or fitness level. Be consistent. Building a healthy lifestyle takes time and consistency. Avoid quick-fix approaches and embrace long-term habits. Monitor progress. Keep track of your workouts, diet, and progress to stay motivated and identify areas that may need improvement. Limit sedentary activities. Minimize the time spent sitting, especially during long periods of inactivity. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, like taking short walks, using a standing desk, or doing light exercises during breaks. Be patient and kind to yourself. Transforming your body and lifestyle takes time and dedication. Embrace the journey and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to combat the dad bod. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to find a sustainable and enjoyable routine that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise or diet plan, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.